Hello guys, we're gonna be doing a fidget haul of every all fidgets that I have. And yeah, I just like dropped all of them. So let's get started. I'm gonna put them all back on the bin real quick. No sneak peeks. And yeah, I have a lot of fidgets. I'm super excited to show you them all. They're like all super fun. And you guys should go get fidgets too. They're like super worth it. I'm gonna go close the door. I'll be right back. Okay. Fidget. So let's, I don't know why I just said fidget. Okay. We're in the fidget. My favorite fidget. It's a dimple digit. It's a real one. You can even see it's a real one. That's what it sounds like. It's a good side. This is the bad side. Yeah. Next one. A puppet. So it's the bad side. Good side. This is a blue glitter square puppet. Next one. Okay, we're just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna do all of them at the same time. And I got these monkey noodles from, where did I get them from? I got all these monkey noodles. Well, the small ones I got out of a fidget pack. So these small ones I got out of a fidget pack. And then these huge ones I got from Target in the gift card section where you get like mini toys. I'm dropping them. These are super good. They're super squishy. These are one of my favorite fidgets. So, yeah. Let's do Simple Dimple. I have a chain for it. It's somewhere in this bin though. It's right here. I have a chain for it. But I don't like to put them on. But yeah, here's my Simple Dimple. And it's real because it has the little things that a real one has, like the little brains from the company. So we'll do my triple dimples. I think, yeah, I have two. Where's the other one though? I don't know, I might not have the other one in this one. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, so we have one with green and one with orange. They are both real. This one I got from Fidget Trading. It has little scratches on it, as you can see, but I didn't do the scratches. This one doesn't because I just got it yesterday. It has a piece of hair, sorry, it's not here. Yeah, it has no scratches because I just got it yesterday. Oh, a snake. I don't really like this fidget that much, but it's good, I guess. Wacky Tracks. These are so good fidgets, and I love the color. Look at the colors. They're super good, so I love these. Sorry, I have like allergies right now for some reason, so I'm gonna show you all my pop tubes. I have 5 pop tubes in total. 2 red, 2 yellow, and 1 blue. I'm gonna do the blue one. Yellow. Other yellow. both reds. So yeah, now let's do this puppet. Let me just finish it because I just saw my mom. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'll show you my setup so how I have like really good lighting. So it's like right by my window. This is I'm in the guest room because it has like the best lighting and it has less noise. So good side. Bad side. So that's good. Popsicle, good. Bad. This is a super good puppet and it has like letters on it. I don't know if you can see. Can you guys see the letters? Okay, yeah, you can see them. Okay, we got this squishy. It's a penguin squishy. It's super slow rising. I should fix that right there. But, okay, 4 marble meshes. 3 of them look like super tight, and this one doesn't. Because I got this one like from Fidget Trading, which is my favorite one because I like yellow. But these ones I got from my Fidget pack. These are still super good. I'll have to stretch them out later. These 3 I got from my Fidget pack, and this one I got from trading. So, yeah? Filming a video. Sorry, my dad was asking where he was. We have pea poppers. Where's my other one? Okay, we have 3 pea poppers. 2 with the little chains and 1 without because I broke this one. This one has faces on it. This one has a washed away face. These are brand new, so these have like faces on. I'll show you. And this one has the same face. Those poppets, good side. Oh, bad side. Good side. Got this from Walgreens. This one's from Fidget Trading. Good, bad. Good. Dimple, it's not from the real company. See, it doesn't have the little symbol thing. So, super good. Mochi, some of my cheese. I have a 3rd one. I don't know where it is. I probably lost it when I dropped it. But we have this fish one. Its eye is kind of weird. Sorry, I have marker on my hand. A little flat bunny. It's a little weird. A turtle. Another one is another purple fish. A rainbow square puppet. Bad. Good. A fidget pad. So on these, I know why it's like some of them are quiet is because so you don't annoy people. That's why these are quiet and these aren't. So yeah, fidget pad. We have a Rubik's Cube that I've been trying to solve for a while. Okay. I don't know. Yeah. So Rubik's Cube. A Slinky DNA ball that should have more little DNAs in them. That's why I would recommend this because it didn't have a lot of them. Probably just the one I have. Oh my gosh, I had so many acupressure rings. Anyways, I have 3 gold and 2 silver, but the others are gold. I don't know where it is, but I know. We have a lot more poppets. I'm honestly just going to show you them. This one, this one, this one, these 2, this one, this mini poppet that my friend cut up and gave to me. Infinity cube. The colors are super pretty. Oh, here's my other acupressure ring. And then got 2 bike chains. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment if you can. I'm gonna have to make a theme song. Okay, ready? Subscribe, comment, like if you can. Make sure to drop a comment before you skirt away. That just sounds weird, but bye guys. Have a nice day. Peace out.